Hi, it's Nathan. Section 336 through 340 of the Model WHS Regulations covers supplier duties in relation to hazardous chemicals. The first section talks about the supply of flammable liquids and gases, and that if your workers employed in that role need to be at least 18 years old. Next, it talks about packaging and labeling. So it needs to be, if you're supplying chemicals, hazardous chemicals, it needs to be in the correct package with the correct label. And then it has the requirement for suppliers of hazardous chemicals to supply safety data sheets. Now it says that they need to be supplied on sale. So like as the product is being supplied, you need to give the next person the safety data sheet. But in practice, normally it'll just be on their website. And if you can't find it on their website, you'll need to ring them. That's for the person using the chemical or buying the chemical. And then there is a prohibition and restriction on supply of certain carcinogens. So carcinogens are things that give you cancer. And then there's a list of these in one of the schedules at the back of the regulations, and it's basically an outright prohibition, or it says they can only be provided for genuine research. So if like a university or something's doing research on these chemicals, these carcinogens, and in certain cases you'll need regulator approval to supply them. Hope that helps.